Hi, I'm Frank Rito, President and CEO of Aries Interactive. I'm so excited to introduce iRenderings. iRenderings is a self-service platform that allows builders, designers, architects, and/or their agencies to create photorealistic renderings in real time. So let me tell you about the value proposition. You can get unlimited multiple renderings and the visualizer for your website, all for less than the price of a traditional rendering. So how does it work? It's super simple. You upload your floor plans to our website. Our team builds it in 3D. We send you an email to a link to the actual visualizer, which allows you to spin around the house, change the materials, change the lighting, pick your landscaping, and even change your camera angles. Hit render, and within minutes you will get a high quality photorealistic render. It's that simple. So let me tell you why we created iRenderings. Changes during the design process is common, and is also a common problem which can increase delays in the project and create cost overruns. By creating this platform, we empower you and your stakeholders to be able to visualize all the changes in real time. Pick whatever colors and materials, change your lighting. You eliminate all of the back and forth between your stakeholders and the artist, reducing the amount of cost and the time to produce them. So what's amazing about the platform is it's going to make you save money on traditional architectural renderings. It's going to reduce the amount of time to produce the renderings. It's going to eliminate all of the cost overruns and delays associated with them. Be able to create unlimited content, which is absolutely fantastic and important for social media and for SEO. You're going to elevate the customer experience, which is so important in today's day and age. And all of this, at the end of the day, is hopefully going to increase your sales like it has for many of our clients. So let's up the customer experience game together. Join us at iRenderings.aries.com and let us help you save some money and create some beautiful renderings.